So Rachel, since you had a couple more questions before we start the briefing, before we end the briefing and start behavior rehearsal, we'll just go ahead and refer to the skill set rubric. So what was the first change?
Well, I started kind of feeling leery about saying that I'm going to do 2 parents, and my biggest worry about that is that I'm worried about timing, and that it just might be really difficult to get a parent here and you here at the same time and make all that work out. So I would like to, for our purposes, say 1, and I'd like to still try to touch base with a parent and see if that'll work, but I don't want to have to feel really pressured if that doesn't work out. So for the purpose of this, I'd like to change that to 1, being Leticia, because I know that she's confirmed and okay for that time.
Okay.
And then I can see if I can work on another parent, and then that'll kind of be just extra practice for me and kind of icing on the cake if it works out, but it's not end of the world.
Sure.
And as pressured if I can't get it to work out.
And it's good that you realized what's reasonable for your time too. Okay, so how about, from what we talked about in the debrief of the modeling, so the changes have been made on the skill set rubric, and have you had a chance to just look through those, make sure that the
I did, and it's
language is...
Yeah, it's all looking good.
Good, okay. And the scoring is consistent. Okay. Do you like the yellow highlighting? Does that work for you too?
Just to see where changes are, yeah. It makes it a lot easier than having to go through and read it all word by word and try to remember what was there and what's different now.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, was there anything else?
No, just that one number that was making me feel a little squeamish.
Okay, and so because you changed the number to 1, then we would not need to consider having the parents, the 2 parents, one right after the other.
Yes,
okay.
Correct.
All right, good. Thank you. Let's go on with behavior rehearsal then.
All right.